Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to find and add gold on TradingView step by step. First, open the TradingView desktop app, or go to the TradingView website and enter the main chart view. Once you're inside the chart, go to the top right corner of the screen and click on the watch list icon. It looks like a small list symbol. This opens the watch list, details, and news panel. Next, click on the plus icon to add a new symbol. In the search bar, type gold. You'll see different gold-related symbols appear in the results. The most common one is XAUUSD, which represents gold priced against the US dollar. You might also see gold futures, depending on what you're looking for. Click the plus button next to the one you want to add. Now, when you select that symbol from your watch list, you'll see that gold has been successfully added to your chart. And that's it. That's how you find and add gold on TradingView. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.